Let us learn to navigate in Excel. As with many applications, here too, directional keys are used to move to the adjoining space, which of course is a cell in this case. To move up a cell, we use the up arrow key, and to move down a cell, we use the down arrow key. Similarly, we use the left arrow key to move to the cell on the left and right arrow key to move to cell on the right. However, in Excel, we can also move from left to right by pressing the Tab key. To move from right to left, we must press the Tab key along with the Shift key. Similarly, we can move down by clicking the Enter key and move up by pressing Shift and Enter keys together. If Shift key pressed with the Tab or Enter key reverses the movement, Control key lets us jump the cells. By pressing Control and right arrow key together, we are taken to the last column. Similarly, by pressing the Control and down arrow key together, we go to the last row. Likewise, pressing Control and left arrow key takes us to the first column, and pressing Control and up arrow key takes us to the first row. However, when we have data in the sheet, the Control and left arrow keys do not take us to the last column of the sheet, but to the last column of the data region instead. Likewise, with data in the sheet, Control and down arrow keys take us to the last row of the data region. We may also use the Control and End keys to go to the last row of the last column with data. Similarly, we may use Control and Home keys to go to the first column of the first row. However, these keys fail to work if the sheet is blank. We can also go to the first or the last row or column by clicking the arm of any occupied cell. However, this will also not work if the cell is blank. We now know how to move one cell at a time, or to move from the first to the last or top to the bottom and vice versa. With the help of name box, we can move from any cell to any specified cell. Irrespective of our cursor location, let us now type D5 in the name box and press enter. You will find that we are taken to D5. This is particularly helpful when we must move from one cell to any far off cell. However, at times it may be difficult to remember the default name of the specified cell. Fortunately, we can name the cells as we would like to. We can then select that name from the name box and move at once to the specified cell.